Introducing DJI Mic 3. Compact, lightweight, and built for next-level creation. In changing environments, your sound matters. Snap it and capture from various angles. Mic 3 is ready for any situation. From the quietest whispers
follow microphone 1.
Yeah.
Right.
To the loudest game-winning moments. No matter your tone, it always sounds just right.
Cockatoos are reshaping the way that we think about intelligence.
Let's find out why.
Connect up to 4 transmitters, each with its own independent audio channel. Manage unpredictable sounds easily. Mic 3 pairs instantly with your Osmo devices, so you can capture premium audio faster than ever.
Hello， 大家好，这是我们的主厨 Kingo。
You can also switch the noise cancellation level to fit the moment.
超级好吃。
Need more coverage? Connect up to 8 receivers simultaneously and record it all in one go. And for the first time ever, timecode sync. Your multicam workflow, now effortless. Stay stable even in crowded wireless environments.
I found it!
Built for adventure, Mic 3 delivers up to 28 hours of runtime.
Hey guys, just set up over here. Got camp ready.
A quick 5-minute boost adds 2 extra hours. Auto off powers down your mic, saving power for when it really counts. DJI Mic 3. Performance that speaks.